Hey, what's up? I am Ramone the Chef. We're going to do something really simple. Steak and 2 veg with a little twist. We are going to start by getting some potatoes with some boiling salted water from the back. We're just going to pop it straight into for about 5 to 10 minutes. Next, we're going to season our meat straight in the pan. We've got a really nice hot smoking pan. We're going to season with a little bit of salt, a bit of Cajun spice, finish a little bit cracked pepper. Trick is smoking nice hot pan. The hotter the pepper better, because we're just listening to season the meat on both sides. Same on the other side. A little salt, pepper, and the Cajun spice. So remember I told you about the pan being really hot? Literally 2 minutes on one side. Turn. 2 minutes on the other side. So the steak is so thin, you don't use it long. Add a couple of spoons of thyme. And just a little bit of butter just to finish. Literally, set it on both sides. I'm just going to have it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. The potatoes are cooked. As soon as the potatoes are cooked, they've been boiling about 10 minutes. We're literally going to take them out, chop them in half, and you see that pan where we had that steak in there? It's got all these lovely, crispy, salty, thyme spiced in there. So we're going to put the potatoes back in, saute with a little bit of onion, a little bit of garlic, done. Simple. While we're chopping the potatoes, we're just going to stick the broccoli straight in the pan. So potatoes sliced straight in half. Just going to slice some shallot, garlic, and put them all together straight in the pan. We're going to put the potatoes straight in the pan, skin side up. While that's colouring, I'm just going to chop our garlic. And we're going to put the onions and garlic straight in the pan with the potatoes. And then just finish with a handful of herbs. Any soft herbs. We have parsley now, but we can use chives, tarragon, coriander, anything soft herb wise. Chives, chervil is really good as well. When the broccoli is ready, to put it straight out. And just finish with the remaining soft herbs. A little bit of time. No more butter. A little bit of salt, just to finish. And just a little bit of cracked pepper. And we're ready to plate. You have been with Ramone the Chef. We made some steak, 2 veg, with a little bit of twist, sauteed with a little bit of onion, garlic, and a bit of spice. Like, subscribe, and comment, and I see you